Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to crochet this cute coaster. Now yarn over and pull through the loop. This is chain 1. Yarn over, pull through the loop. 3. This is chain 3. Now make 10 double crochet stitches into the circle. For making a double crochet, yarn over, insert hook into circle, yarn over, pull through the circle, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over again and pull through 2 loops. This is 1 double crochet. This chain 1 is considered as a stitch. Yarn over again, yarn over, pull through the circle, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Make 8 more stitches. In the first round there are 11 stitches. 10 double crochet stitches plus chain 3 together makes the 11 stitches. Now the round 1 is complete. You can count the stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Close the circle. Now make a slip stitch. Now slip stitch into the very first stitch that was made after the chain 3. Insert a hook into the V over the stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, pull through the loop as well. Now for the second round, chain 3 again. Make first double crochet here, the space next to the chain 3. Make a double crochet here. For this round there will be 2 stitches in each stitch of the round 1. Now make a second DC into the same stitch space. Now there are 2 stitches. Now into the next space make 2 DC. By the end of this round there will be total 21 stitches. 20 stitches plus chain, that is 21. Make 2 DC in each stitch space till the end of the round. This was the last stitch. Make slip stitch into the first stitch. Chain 3 for this round. Start every round with chain 3. Now for this round, make a single double crochet into the first stitch. For the second stitch, make 2 double crochet stitches. There will be increase every second stitch. Now make second double crochet stitch into the same stitch. Always start counting from the first double crochet stitch that is made after the chain 3 and add the chain in the end. This way it will be easier to find where to make 2 double crochet stitches or where to make 1. For the third stitch, make a single double crochet here. The fourth stitch will have 2 double crochet stitches. For this round there will be 1 and 2 double crochet stitches alternatively. There will be 2 double crochet stitches on the end of the round. This round will have 31 stitches, 30 double crochet stitches plus chain 3. The number of stitches in each round will be 11, 21, 31, 41. Now start a fourth round with chain 3. Now make first double crochet stitch. It will be single. Now into the next space make the second one. You can see there is only one stitch in each stitch space. For the third stitch, make 2 double crochet stitches in the same stitch space. Now again one stitch for the next 2 stitches. This is the last one, 2 stitches. This is the last stitch. Now take red yarn and make a knot. Make 2 chains. Now yarn over, pass the hook through next stitch, yarn over, pull through stitch, yarn over, pass through all loops. Now chain 2 and slip stitch into the next stitch. Chain 2 again and make petal into the next stitch. This is the last stitch where the petal will be made. After making a petal, make a last slip stitch into the space where the chain 2 was made. Weave in the ends now and cut the yarn.